Alright, so this is gonna be a video of what I keep in my toolbox. I've put stickers all over it and on the back and on the sides. Traxxas.com. So in the top I have, oh, the lid shut. Okay, well for here, in here, I have body clips for my Traxxas 1/16 scale Summit. These are, what are these? I don't know what these are, but I think they're for the drive shafts in my Traxxas Summit. There's tools, all kinds of wrenches. Over here I have, for my Emax, the 17 tooth gear that it came with, and a tire glue nozzle. And back here is body clips for my Emax, which is right there. And inside the toolbox, I have, this is a metric Allen wrench, no, sorry, standard / imperial Allen wrenches, a set. These are metric, just pliers, utility pliers, and this is actually a utility hammer. So it's a hammer and it has utilities inside of it. Underneath I have a whole bunch of stuff. Tire glue, tire wheel nut wrench, extended battery hold downs and spacers, shock pistons, whatever, battery spacers. Oh, it's gonna fall over now. Duct tape, slip clutch wrench, random AA batteries, package labels from parts, a rebuild kit for a Emax, random stuff, and a screwdriver holding case, I guess. It's for the ones that are in the top, but I keep them up top because it's handier. Do you like my toolbox, Lanny?
No.
Lanny's my cousin. You don't like my toolbox? Why? Because what? Those aren't garbage tags, that's to show what I've put on. It's not garbage. So that is what I keep in my toolbox.